Good morning, Jaguars. Today is the first day of face-to-face learning. Welcome back. We've missed you. There's a lot of smiling going on underneath our masks today. Jefferson is a school filled with leaders. Whether you are a face-to-face learner or a remote choice learner, all of us are Jefferson Jaguars. Together, we will use our hands to change the world. So let's get started. Jaguars, if you arrive in the mornings and you would like breakfast, you may pick up a grab-and-go food bag. You will need to walk toward the art room, turn down the first grade hallway. You will find the grab-and-go line in the corridor between the first grade hallway and the second and third grade hallway. Remember to walk on the blue line and practice social distancing. Today's choice option for lunch is Big Daddy Pizza. If you are a remote choice learner, lunch pickup will be available at school sites from 10 to 10:30 each morning. Jefferson is now a school lunch pickup site. If you have siblings located at more than one school, parents may pick up all meals at one school site. As we continue to work together, let's practice the 3 W's. Wash your hands, wait and practice social distancing between you and others, and wear your mask. And continue to work on staying in control of you. And you can do this by practicing the 5 steps from our Jefferson I Can hand. Pause, breathe, focus, move, and seek support. And now for a few reminders. Jaguars, remember to put your mask on before you exit your car each morning. Thank you for being a leader by walking on the blue line and practicing social distancing. At the end of the day, we're going to talk a little bit about our dismissal plan. For car riders in kindergarten and first grade and who have older siblings, those students will exit from the gym. Second and fifth grade students who do not have kindergarten and first grade siblings will exit at the back. Walkers are students who live within a mile of our school, and you will be walking home. Bus riders will remain with your teachers until escorted to the gym. This is also a reminder that there will be no school on Friday due to Parent-Teacher Conference Day. We will also be closed on Monday because it's Labor Day. So Jaguars, enjoy your long weekend. Guess what time it is? It's time to celebrate some birthdays. Celebrating a birthday today on August the 31st in first grade is Bentley P. and Miss Digert, our art teacher. Celebrating a birthday on September 1st in 5th grade is Darcy W. And on September 2nd in 4th grade is Elin W. Celebrating a birthday on September 3rd in kindergarten is Bella H. In 5th grade, Michael L. In 3rd grade, Lily S. And in 3rd grade, Peter S. Celebrating a birthday on September 5th in 1st grade is Graham L. and first grade, Grider L. And on September 6th in kindergarten, Nolan F. 1st grade, Mackenzie F. And in kindergarten, Annabelle H. And celebrating a birthday on September the 7th in 4th grade is Isaac C. And in 4th grade, Ben M. There is no one in the world like you, so enjoy celebrating your birthday, and we celebrate you. And now let's move on to our words of wisdom. Today I'd like to share a poem with you by Henry Wadsworth Longfellow as we begin our first day together in face-to-face learning. It goes like this. Kind hearts are the gardens. Kind thoughts are the roots. Kind words are the flowers. And kind deeds are the fruits. So take care of your garden and keep out of the weeds. Fill it with sunshine, kind words, and kind deeds. Have a blessed day, Jaguars. Jefferson is a great place because you are here. And now you may join your teacher for the Pledge of Allegiance, followed by a moment of silence.